Hi everybody, welcome back to March Madness. We are coming on to day 7, I believe, and that is going to be double leg stretch. So again, there's 2 variations of this. There is a double bent leg stretch and double straight leg stretch. So I will demonstrate both of those, and let's go on with that. Just take my glasses off. So again, we are in the laying position, and we have our chin tucked in. Our spine is imprinted, belly button is nice and strong, and we're going to start with bend. So we bring both legs in and both legs out, and in, and out, and in, and in. And I'll do one more. Beautiful. And then we have straight double leg stretch. Now, I always have very tight hammies. It's really hard for me to get my legs straight. So we are going down and up and down and up. 2 and last one. Beautiful. So that is double leg stretch.